All right, welcome back to Red Grove Entertainment here. John working on our Borderlands runs. So we just finished taking over this place from the Children of the Vault. We're going to continue through here and see what we've got going on next. Oh, are you kidding me? Hold on a second here, guys. Yeah, of course my sound has to cut out. Has to cut out in the middle of the battle. Love it. Okay. Now that we're not dying here, let's see if I can't figure out where, oh, where my sound went. Still nothing there, which means I get to stop this video and close out my system here and reboot. Yay! Alright, there's our sound back. Beautiful. Yeah, there we go.
What have you got there?
All right, we got a foothold. Maybe things are turning our way. Come on, killer, you're with me. Let me catch you up. A while back, we found a map. Led to vaults all over the Borderlands. Dream come true, right? I didn't realize how big of a target it would make us. We got attacked and the map was lost. I've been looking for it ever since. This way. I was so focused on finding the map, I didn't notice that Pandora was changing. The bandit clans used to just murder each other for fun. Now, they're all under one banner. A cult.
The Children of the Vault.
Right. Come on, let's take a look around. Their leaders are the Calypso twins, and their followers worship them like gods. They're convinced the map will lead them to something called the Great Vault, and they've been slaughtering anyone who gets in their way. We heard a rumor that a bandit clan found an alien artifact in the desert. Could be the map. That's what we're here to find out.
I'll stand guard.
Perfect. What do we have here?
The Sun Smasher clan has recovered the sacred vault map. Send our followers to invite the Sun Smashers into our holy family. And hurry, the twin gods grow hungry.
Oh my.
The map. I knew it. We have to beat them to the Sun Smashers. I'll open the gate. Come on, this way.
Oh my.
Come here, girl.
I'm gonna set up camp and gather some intel on the Calypsos. Find the Sun Smasher war chief and do whatever it takes to get that map.
Seems like you guys got this. Good luck. I'm gonna go hang out in some trash.
So what are we working with here? Well, this place kinda sucks. It's all we got at the moment. Not the first time the Raiders have had to start from scratch. It's no sanctuary. Hope Ellie gets that ship working soon.
I wonder where that went.
Be careful when you're fighting bar kids. Don't let them evolve too much. You might...
Welcome back to the Claptrap Adventure. By me, Claptrap. After handling the beast
Ask about our one-click buying plan. When your trigger goes click, it's time to buy. No window shopping. Buy something or beat it. May they bring you many kills.
Get the fun shots for your gunshots at Doctor's Ed's Portable Clinic. Oh, if the board knew I was selling that, they'd have my license. Again. Sure you don't want store credit instead? Usually I deal in organs, but this is close enough.
Okay. Nope, I think we're gonna sell that one.
Need a diagnosis? Go see a real doctor. Need healing? Come see me. Come back soon if you're still kicking.
Alright, I feel like I'm clever for that.
Buzzsaw gathering dust in the dust? Want to eat every single day? Then join the Children of the Vault, now accepting new acolytes. Eternal salvation is only a vault away. Will you be there?
Hi.
My vending machine is broken? Ah, how am I supposed to profit off this war-torn... sell premium weapons to heroic vault hunters such as yourself? Let's fix my vending machine. And by that I mean, you fix it.
I'd like to know who I'm working with. What made you decide to be a vault hunter?
Death calls me across the stars to hunt the living and send them to her. I am her knife, and I must forever hone myself. The vaults are the ultimate hunt, and so I am here.
Damn it! That's the Sun Smashers camp, and it looks like the COV got there first. Don't let them leave with the map, killer.
Climbing ever higher over the bones of my enemies. Some days you hunt, some days you are hunted.
Calypsos!
Well, that was fun.
Hello? Somebody help me! I would prefer not to die like this! Save me!
The heck?
Yo! Little help? Shoot me down, will ya? I like to hang, but not like this. Not like this!
Yeah, sure, why not? Let's go for some additional damage types.
My briefs are. Oh, hey, yeah. Feet work good. Nice to meet you. Hey, thanks. If you hadn't come along, I might be dead. So, what are you doing here?
I am on an unending hunt for the glory of... Oh, as in right now? I am working with Lilith and the Crimson Raiders.
You're with the Firehawk? Oh man, I used to run with Lilith back in the day. But, you know, now I'm a bandit ward chief. Go Sun Smashers. I mean, at least I used to be a war chief. Until, you know, my clan found that stupid alien junk. I warned them not to mess with that crap. But what do? They tie me up and they take it to the Calypso twins. Not cool, bro. Well, we should probably get out of here before the COV come back. So, where are Lilith and the Raiders hanging these days?
The cult propaganda center nearby. It's our territory now.
Now we're talking! Come on, let's get out of here. I'll lead the way, even though I'm totally unarmed. Can't let them know you're afraid and totally defenseless, bro. Bandit life! So, you took over that COV propaganda center all by your little self?
Yes, they fought like animals. Sick, wounded animals.
I am impressed. Oh man, the Children of the Vault totally trashed my camp! Like, that is not where that bloody skull should be! It is completely ruining the vibe! Oh, I know a shortcut! This way! Coast is clear! Nice! Let's go meet up with the Firehawk. Those Calypsos won't stop until every bandit on Pandora worships them like gods. I mean, bandits don't need gods. We worship a hot fire and a charred piece of meat. There are rules. I'm sure Lilith will be glad to see me. We're tight, bro. Super tight. Like, bro tight. It's a thing.
Yeah.
Pandora's in trouble. I can feel it in my bones. Or maybe that's just the harsh desert wind in my bare sun-dappled chest.
Now get out of here.
Oh, sweet digs. Fortified, well ventilated. You know, throw some bloody skulls up on the walls. You got yourself a nice, cozy place here, friend.
Vaughn? What the hell are you doing here?
Hey, Lilith! Former war chief of the Sun Smashers, reporting for duty! Go Crimson Raiders!
It's good to see you, Vaughn. The Raiders will take all the help we can get. So, Vault Hunter, did you find the map?
The map was not there, so I acquired this bandit.
Map? If you're talking about that alien junk, my clan is bringing it to the Calypso twins as an offering. They're heading to the Holy Broadcast Center. It's where the Calypsos host murder sermons to amp up their followers.
Can't let the Calypsos get that map. The Holy Broadcast Center is a long ride. Vault Hunter, you're gonna need some wheels. My friend Ellie runs the catch-a-ride. Go introduce yourself, and she'll hook you up.
All right. And I think that's where we're going to call it for now. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I do hope you have a great rest of your day. Don't forget to like and subscribe for future content. Take care.